Hello, Amy Sindicic here. Welcome to Idiom of the Day. Today's idiom is to dip into. To dip into is to literally put your hands into a container to take something out, like money from a piggy bank. Today's idiom is meant to be taken a little bit more figuratively than that. Let me give you some examples of how it's used. We had to dip into cash reserves to pay for the new tires on the car, which got ruined with all the snow this season. Our family had to dip into our savings to fund our annual vacation. Today's idiom is to dip into, to literally put your hands into a container to take something out, like money from a piggy bank. Remember that we're using it in a more figurative sense as an idiom. Today's idiom was taken from 505 Business Idioms and Phrasal Verbs by Clare Whitmell. The link to Amazon is provided. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.